Peace Lily Soil and Repotting Guide. Have you ever wondered if your peace lily needs a bigger pot? Maybe the soil dries out too quickly, the roots are growing out of the drainage holes, or your plant has stopped growing. You may be asking, what is the best soil for peace lily? When should I repot it? How do I repot without damaging the roots? The good news is that repotting a peace lily is not difficult. When done at the right time and with the right soil, repotting can encourage healthier roots, stronger leaves, and even more beautiful flowers. In this video, we'll cover everything you need to know about choosing the right soil, recognizing when your peace lily needs repotting, and how to repot it safely. Number 1. Why soil is so important. Healthy roots begin with healthy soil. Peace lily likes soil that stays lightly moist while still allowing excess water to drain away. If the soil stays wet for too long, the roots may not receive enough oxygen. On the other hand, if the soil dries out too quickly, the plant may become stressed. The goal is to create a balance between moisture retention and good drainage. The right soil helps your peace lily grow stronger and reduces the risk of root problems. What is the best soil for peace lily? A good peace lily soil mix should be well-draining, rich in organic matter, light and airy, able to hold some moisture without becoming soggy. Many quality indoor potting mixes work well. Some gardeners also improve drainage by adding materials such as perlite or orchid bark. These ingredients create small air pockets around the roots, allowing oxygen to circulate while excess water drains away. Healthy roots need both water and air to thrive. Number 3. Why drainage matters. No matter how good the soil is, drainage is equally important. Always choose a pot with drainage holes. Without proper drainage, water can collect at the bottom of the pot, leaving the roots sitting in constantly wet soil. Over time, this can lead to yellow leaves, drooping foliage, slow growth, root rot. After watering, allow excess water to drain completely and empty any water collected in the saucer. Good drainage is one of the easiest ways to keep your peace lily healthy. Number 4. When should you repot a peace lily? Peace lily does not need frequent repotting. In fact, it often grows well when slightly root-bound. However, there are times when repotting becomes necessary. Common signs include roots growing through the drainage holes, water draining through the pot very quickly, soil drying out much faster than before, slower growth, the plant becoming top-heavy or unstable. If you notice several of these signs, your peace lily may be ready for a new pot. Number 5. Choosing the right pot. When repotting, avoid choosing a pot that is much larger than the current one. A pot that is too large holds more soil, which also holds more moisture. This increases the risk of overwatering and root problems. Instead, choose a new pot that is only slightly larger than the old one. A little extra room gives the roots space to grow without creating unnecessary moisture issues. And always make sure the new pot has drainage holes. 6. How to repot your peace lily. Repotting is simple if you take your time. First, gently remove the plant from its current pot. If the roots are circling around the root ball, gently loosen them with your fingers. Next, place some fresh soil into the new pot. Position the peace lily at the same depth it was growing before. Fill around the roots with fresh soil and gently press it into place. Avoid packing the soil too tightly. The roots still need room for air and water to move through the soil. Finally, water the plant thoroughly and allow the excess water to drain away. 7. What happens after repotting? It is normal for a peace lily to experience a little stress after repotting. You may notice slight drooping, slower growth, temporary leaf changes. This does not necessarily mean something is wrong. The plant simply needs time to adjust to its new environment. Keep it in bright, indirect light, water it properly, and avoid making additional changes while it recovers. Most healthy peace lilies adjust within a short period. 8. Common soil and repotting mistakes. Many beginners accidentally create problems when repotting. Some common mistakes include using heavy garden soil. Garden soil often stays too wet indoors. Choosing a pot that is too large. Extra soil holds extra moisture. Repotting too often. Peace lily does not need a new pot every year. Watering too much after repotting. Fresh soil usually holds moisture well. Always check the soil before watering again. Small mistakes can create unnecessary stress for the plant. Number 9. How often should you repot? Most peace lilies only need repotting every 2 to 3 years. However, the exact timing depends on how quickly your plant grows. Instead of following a calendar, watch your plant. Healthy roots, steady growth, and balanced watering are better indicators than age alone. If your peace lily is still growing well in its current pot, there may be no need to repot yet. 10. Healthy roots mean a healthy plant. Everything above the soil depends on what happens below it. Strong roots help your peace lily absorb water efficiently, take in nutrients, produce healthy green leaves, support beautiful flowers. When you provide the right soil, proper drainage, and repot only when needed, you create the foundation for long-term healthy growth. Taking care of the roots is one of the best investments you can make for your peace lily. Conclusion: choosing the right soil and repotting at the right time can make a big difference in your peace lily's health. Remember these simple tips. Use well-draining soil. Choose a pot with drainage holes. Repot only when your plant truly needs it. Avoid oversized pots. Water properly after repotting. Give your plant time to adjust. Healthy roots lead to healthy leaves, stronger growth, and more beautiful flowers. With the right soil and a little patience, your peace lily can continue to thrive for many years. Thank you for watching Plants Every Day. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more simple indoor plant care tips. Be sure to explore our Peace Lily Care Guide 10-episode series for more easy guides on growing healthy and beautiful peace lily plants. See you in the next video. Happy growing!